Hello everyone, today I have a special origami project for you. I'll be guiding you through creating a stunning star from dollar bills. This particular model is modular, meaning we'll be using 6 bills to craft it. So, let's get started. To begin, turn the bill over and use the line just below the text, the United States of America, as a reference point. Fold the upper edge back along this line. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments to ensure accuracy. Next, fold the bill in half, vertically. This fold establishes the foundation of our star. Cross-fold the upper edge down. Making a clear crease. This step adds depth and structure to our model. Repeat this on the other side. Now, open up the model. We're beginning to see the shape of our star come together. Fold both edges towards the center. This creates the distinctive points of our star. Turn the model over. We're now going to fold the 2 bottom edges towards the center as well. This step helps refine the shape. Flap over the model to the other side. This sets us up for the next fold. Fold the tip up, following along with the video. This is a crucial step in shaping the star. Repeat this process 6 times. You should now have 6 individual pieces, each resembling a star dip. Now, it's time to assemble them. Follow the instructions carefully. slotting each tip inside the next one. This will lock them in position. Continue this process until you've completed the entire model. Take your time and enjoy the process. And there you have it. Your star is now completed and ready to shine. This intricate modular origami project is not only a beautiful decoration, but also a testament to your folding skills. I hope you enjoyed folding this star as much as I did. It's a wonderful addition to your decor or a great handmade gift. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Happy folding! Hey!